Good morning, little kiddos. How are you? Hope you are awesome. Today we will do work in EVS and learn about sense organs. Do you know the meaning of sense organs? First, I will tell you what is the meaning of organs and sense. Organ means body parts and sense means to know and understand things. So, the meaning of sense organs are body parts which help us to experience and understand things around us. Means जो बॉडी पार्ट्स हमारे चारों तरफ क्या हो रहा है ये समझने में हमारी हेल्प करते हैं उसे सेंस ऑर्गन्स कहते हैं. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Now babies, we will do work in our notebook. First, take out your EVS notebook and write date CW. Now write heading with me sense organs. S E N S E sense. Speak after me. S E N S E sense. Organs. O R G A N S organs. O R G A N S organs. Sense organs. Now write here body parts and uses. B O D Y body. P A R T S parts. Body parts. U S E S uses. Now put number 1. Draw an eye. We have 2 eyes. So we will write here eyes. E Y E S eyes. Learn spelling with me. E Y E S eyes. What do you do with your eyes? You see with your eyes. You see lot of things like flowers, rainbow, TV and many more. We will draw here TV. Draw a box like this. Draw 2 lines, joint it. Here 2 lines jointed. Now draw like this and write TV. What do you do with your eyes? You see with your eyes. Now write spelling with me. S E C. Now learn the spelling. S E C. Once again. S E C. Very good. Now put number 2. Draw here nose. This is nose. Write spelling with me. N O S E nose. Learn spelling with me. N O S E nose. What you do with your nose? You smell with your nose. Like you smell samosa. You can smell flowers, perfume, garbage. Nose helps us to smell good or bad. Now draw a flower here like this. Now write spelling smell with me. S M E double L smell. Learn spelling with me. S M E double L smell. Once again, S M E double L smell. Now put number 3 and draw an ear. We have 2 ears, so we will write here ears. Write with me. E A R S ears. Learn spelling with me. E A R S ears. What you do with your ears? You hear with your ears. You hear music, ringing of bells, and many more. Here we will draw a bell that is ringing like this. We can hear. Now write spelling with me. H E A R hear. Once again, H E A R hear. Very good. Now put number 4 and draw a tongue with me like this. What is this? This is a tongue. Write spelling with me and then after we will learn. T O N G U E tongue. Learn spelling with me now. T O N G U E tongue. Once again, learn with me. T O N G U E tongue. What you do with your tongue? You taste with your tongue. You can taste ice cream, sweets, samosa, and many more. We will draw here an ice cream like this. We can taste with our tongue. Now write spelling with me, then after we will learn. T A S T E taste. Once again, learn the spelling. T A S T E taste. T A S T E taste. Now next, number 5. We will draw a skin. First, draw a box. Put some dots inside it. This is a skin. Now write spelling with me first, then we will learn. S K I N skin. Now learn spelling with me. S K I N skin. What you do with your skin? You can feel with your skin. You can feel something is hot, something is cold, something is soft, and something is too much hard. We feel things by touching them. Draw here a candle like this. Now write spelling with me. F double E L, feel. Once again, F double E L, feel. Learn all the spellings and after completing your work show to me. Bye bye.